you cannot unconvert to Judaism. Hi, my name is Batya. I'm a Filipino who converted to Orthodox Judaism under the Rabbinate of Israel. And this is something that people don't always understand, especially those who hate the Jewish people. Conversion to Judaism is forever. It's not only changing religion, switching faith. When you convert, you're not just adopting a faith, you're becoming part of a people, part of a nation, an ancient people, an eternal covenant. Once you convert, you're Jewish, period. Even if you struggle later or you fall short or you fail to uphold the commandments, your conversion is valid. It cannot be erased. It cannot be undone. You are treated just like any other Jew who transgressed. Here are some few points. A valid conversion must include the following: a bona fide Beit Din, which is a Jewish court; Kabbalat mitzvos, accepting all the Torah, both written and oral; Milah, circumcision, which is only for male; and Tevilah, immersion in the mikveh. Once this all done, there is no stepping out. This is exactly why the rabbis discourage it. They test your sincerity, they warn you that it's permanent, and they make sure that you understand that this covenant is for life. Again, Judaism does not say convert, but if someone truly chooses it with sincerity, commitment, and love, and the tribe accepted them through the Beit Din, then they become part of something eternal, and that identity remains with you forever. First, they will push you away or encourage you to become one amongst the righteous Gentiles and serve God through the 7 Noahide laws. Being Noahide means becoming partners of the Jewish people. If you want to learn more about Noahide communities, follow for part 2.